So I got maybe a new microphone.
Microphone. Cool.
Yeah, see? Microphone. Can you read this? Video. Micro.
Micro.
How about this one? What's this word?
I don't know.
Spell the words, the letters.
R-O-D-E.
Yep. Rode.
Micro.
Should I open it?
Yeah, open it.
Got my trusty little Leatherman Wave Plus. Yeah. You just stay right where you are. You're fine. Alright, let's see what we're going to do. You just stay right where you are. All I'm going to do is this right here.
I think it did it
Okay, pull this out.
There it is. There's the microphone.
This is the packaging.
Okay.
Ooh, what's this?
A microphone?
What does it feel like?
A fur ball.
Some people call this like a dead cat. Does this look like a cat?
No.
No. Okay. Here's the stuff there. All right. Here's the user guide. We don't really need that because we're going to wing it. Here's the register security code. All right. Put that back just to the side. Ooh, what do we have here? This is the. Let's see what we have here. Audio cable. You know this goes, don't you?
No?
This goes on top of the camera. Sometimes that goes on top of the camera. Okay. And now this can go right in here. Yeah. So it kind of fits right in there. Say hello.
Hello?
Yeah.
It doesn't work.
Of course it doesn't work. It's not even plugged in yet.
Oh.
Yeah. But you plug it in. And then I plug it into the camera over there.
Cool.
And I angle it at the camera. Or at us.
I gotta get it.
Okay, wait. Don't move. Don't move it. Don't move. So I just put this right up here. Angle it that way. And I just push this. I'm going to do the best I can. Move it to the side here. And I think this will may just fit right in.
Hello to the Hawaii.
Wait, don't move. What are you doing?
Hang it there.
Okay, skewer it to the side. Okay.
Is that a microphone?
Wait, careful. That is a microphone. You were feeling, weren't you? Yep.
Take a look.
What are you just singing? You gonna sing?
Take a look and you'll see there's nothing to really be afraid of. It's time to take a peek. It's time to see of trouble. It's time for adventurous break. Boop-a-doo-doo-doo-doo. There's nothing to be afraid of. It's time in the bed. I'm not really scared at all. Boop-a-doo-doo-doo. Boop-a-doo-ba-doo-doo. There's nothing to be afraid of. some monsters in the bed. I'm not really scared at all. Boop-a-doo-doo-doo. There's nothing to be afraid of. It's monstrous in the bed. I'm not really scared at all. There's always a friend, my friend, my friend. Take a peek and you'll see there's nothing to be afraid of me. If you try again, it will be better. There's nothing to really be afraid of.
I thought it was beautiful.
Thank you.